Today we're featuring a 2016 Kia Sportage. Alright, it's gray metallic in color. It's got 21,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner, still under factory warranty. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape here. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything's in good shape here as well. Down the passenger side. Exterior of this Sportage is in great condition. Alright, it's a 2016, 21,000 miles, clean CARFAX One-Owner, still under factory warranty. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it's got the nice aftermarket thick rubber floor mats here. Black and graphite gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Alright, passenger seat looks good. No problems there at all. It isn't automatic. Alright, it's got 2 power outlets down here, an auxiliary and USB port. Got your climate control area here. Radio, AM, FM, CD player. We'll show you that in a second when we get it started up here. Does have Bluetooth. Alright, and then it's got your steering wheel audio controls here. Got your hill descent controls here. Your active eco button. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 21,539 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you radio display. Okay, go ahead and turn the lights on a little bit here, show you the climate control area. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. And then once again, your 2 power outlets down here, auxiliary and USB port. Automatic, and the cup holders even illuminate with that red lighting there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Let's see, let me go ahead and take the key out here. Alright, door panels back here look good. It's got the nice rubber floor mats back here in the back as well. Back seat cloth's in good shape. Got the center armrest that comes down. Hey, no cup holders here, but it does have that center armrest. Go ahead and give you a shot of the dash. Driver's eye view of the dash and layout. Alright. Let's take a look in the back. Alright, got the nice Kia Sportage protector mat back here. Alright, and there's some more storage under there. Got the cargo net there. Alright, power outlet over here. But you can see just how much space is back here. Plenty of space. Alright, interior and exterior of this Sportage is in fantastic condition. Only 21,000 miles on it. Alright, we've got, what size here? Let me find it. Okay, 17-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in fantastic shape. Still plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Kia Sportage. 21,000 miles on it. Alright, clean CARFAX One-Owner, still under factory warranty. This thing's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.